Today we are diving into the world of Character.AI, the ultimate tool for creating, customizing, and interacting with AI characters. Whether you're a newbie or pro, these 5 tips and tricks will take your Character.AI game to the next level. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Master the art of personality customization. Did you know you can tweak your AI character's personality to make them funnier, smarter, or even sassier? Use the advanced settings to adjust traits like creativity, politeness, and humor. For example, if you want a sarcastic AI, crank up the wit and dial down on the formality. It's like creating your own digital best friend or frenemy. Tip number 2. Use multi-turn conversations. Don't just stick to one-liners. Character.AI thrives on context. Ask follow-up questions, challenge your AI, or even role-play a scenario. The more you engage, the more realistic and immersive the conversation becomes. Pro tip: try creating a story with your AI. It's like co-writing a novel with a robot. Tip number 3. Experiment with different character types. Character.AI isn't just for chatbots. You can create historical figures, fictional characters, or even your own original creations. Want to debate with Socrates or get fashion advice from a fictional stylist? The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to explore. You might just discover your new favorite AI. Tip number 4. Train your AI for better responses. If your AI isn't quite hitting the mark, don't give up. Use the thumbs up, down feature to rate its responses. Over time, your AI will learn and adapt to your preferences. Think of it as a teaching digital pet. Patience is the key, but the results are worth it. This might take some time, but overall it's going to be worth your while because the AI will get more familiar with your patterns. Tip number 5. Join the community for inspiration. When you join the community for inspiration, it's full of creative minds sharing their characters, tips, and tricks. Browse the public characters, join the forums, or even collaborate with others. You'll be amazed at what people are creating, and it might just spark your next big idea. Remember, in community you can share your ideas and others will share their ideas with you as well. And with experimentation, the sky's the limit. And there you have it, 5 Character.AI tips and tricks to supercharge your AI experience. Which tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tips. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.